Good morning. I will be showing you how to clean your Chromebooks. So sometimes your Chromebook will be working very slowly, or it won't allow you to access the apps that you're looking for, or it lags. So this could be the reason. If it is, well, then you're going to fix it. But if it's not the reason, if you do this and then it continues to lag or not work as fast as it should, then maybe you should call the school and let them know. Okay. So this is, you just press Control H. So here you would press Control and H, and you will get this screen. Okay. Hold Control and H down at the same time, those two keys, and you'll get this. And this is the history that you've searched. Okay, so this is the history of everything you've searched on the internet. So then you come here and you are going to press Clear Browsing Data. And then it'll show you this screen will pop up. When this pops up, make sure you can stay in basic. You don't need to go to advanced, just go to basic. And time range should read all time. And you should clear, all of these should be checked. And you should clear data. Once again, all time, all blue, clear data. Once you do that, then I recommend that you turn off your computer and turn it back on and see how it works. Now, full disclosure, when you do this, it's going to delete all of your memory from your searches. So what your computer does, it stores memory of where you've gone so that it boots up faster. But because it does that, it can lag if you haven't cleaned it in a while. So what you want to do is just know that you're going to have to sign on again using your MyMail at LAUSD.net. Put your sign in again, put your password again into most of the sites. You're going to have to do that again. Into Schoology, you're going to have to do that again. But then it should be working faster. So I recommend that you turn off your computers daily. Turn them off. Turn them back on daily. And that you clean. If you use your computer a lot, you should be cleaning your browsing data every couple of months. You should not let it, especially right now that we're using them daily, I would clean them up faster. So if you see your Chromebook is lagging or not working as fast, this could probably solve it. So remember, Control H, and you should get there, okay?